Making six figures isn't just for doctors and CEOs anymore. Industries are shifting, and high-paying jobs are popping up in places most people aren't looking. Some careers are fading, while others are booming with no sign of slowing down. Technology, healthcare, and finance are leading the way, offering salaries that start at six figures and only go up. These aren't just jobs that make a lot of money. They're also among the fastest careers growing in demand. This isn't just about what pays well, it's about what's actually hiring. Here are the careers growing the fastest, the salaries they offer, and how you can land one of these roles yourself. I also want to address that $100,000 may not sound like a lot to some people, but it is twice the median income in the US, so it is certainly high-paying. With that out of the way, let's get into the list of high-paying jobs. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that, the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Cloud Architect. The entire world is moving to the cloud, and companies need experts to build and manage that shift. Cloud architects design and maintain cloud systems for big businesses, ensuring security, scalability, and efficiency. With companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft running billion-dollar cloud services, this field is growing fast. If you specialize in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, expect a salary range between $130,000 and $180,000. Get certified, gain experience in IT infrastructure, and you'll be cashing in on one of the best-paying tech jobs out there. Number 2. Artificial Intelligence Engineer. AI isn't the future. It's already here, and it's taking over every industry that matters. AI engineers build machine learning models and automation tools that power chatbots, self-driving cars, and fraud detection systems. If you know TensorFlow, Python, and deep learning algorithms, you're looking at a salary between $150,000 and $200,000. Companies are hiring fast because they know AI isn't just a trend, it's a goldmine. Number 3. Data Scientist. Companies today are drowning in data, and they're willing to pay big to have someone make sense of it. Data scientists analyze massive amounts of information, turning raw numbers into decisions that drive profits. The demand is skyrocketing. This field is expected to grow 36% through 2031, which is way above the 5% average for most jobs. If you know Python, SQL, and machine learning, you can pull in anywhere from $120,000 to $170,000 a year. Get a master's degree in data science or statistics, and you'll have companies fighting to hire you. Number 4. Product Manager. Think of a product manager as the person making sure a company's ideas actually turn into money. They lead teams, shape product strategies, and make sure a company isn't just burning cash on useless projects. The best PMs come from backgrounds in marketing, business, or software development. Big tech companies will easily pay $120,000 to $180,000 for someone who knows how to launch a successful product. An MBA can help, but real experience is what matters most. Number 5. Financial Manager. Money makes the world go round, and financial managers are the ones keeping it all in check. They oversee investments, cut costs, and make sure a company's finances don't go off the rails. With more businesses needing financial leadership, this job is expected to grow 17% in the next decade. This is one of those classic occupations that pay over $100K, with salaries starting around $110,000 and climbing to $200,000. Number 6. Cybersecurity Manager. Cybercrime is exploding, and companies are throwing money at anyone who can keep their data safe. Cybersecurity managers are responsible for defending businesses against hackers, security breaches, and data leaks. With cyber attacks happening daily, salaries range from $130,000 to $190,000. Certifications like CISSP and CISM can fast-track your career, but hands-on experience in IT security is what really counts. Number 7. Marketing Director. A company can have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, they're doomed. That's why marketing directors are some of the highest-paid professionals. They lead campaigns, manage branding, and use data to maximize advertising dollars. In today's digital-first world, businesses need marketing experts who can keep up with constantly shifting trends. Top marketing directors make anywhere from $120,000 to $200,000. And the best ones don't just understand marketing, they understand business strategy. Number 8. Software engineer. Technology runs everything, and software engineers are the ones building it. Apps, websites, automation tools, none of it happens without them. Companies pay top dollar for engineers who know their way around coding languages like Python, Java, and C++. These are core jobs that make a lot of money, starting at $100,000 and easily reaching $160,000 based on experience and location. The demand isn't slowing down, with job growth expected to hit 25% in the next decade. A degree in computer science helps, but real-world coding experience and strong problem-solving skills will get you hired faster than a diploma. Number 9. Management consultant. Management consultant. Businesses don't always know what they're doing, and that's where management consultants come in. They analyze company strategies, identify inefficiencies, and help businesses make more money. This field is competitive, but the payoff is big. Salaries range from $110,000 to $200,000, especially for consultants with experience at major firms like McKinsey or BCG. An MBA can open doors, but the ability to solve problems and deliver results is what really gets companies to pay up. Number 10. Physician assistant. Doctors have long hours, high stress, and massive student debt. Physician assistants, on the other hand, get solid pay and a great work-life balance. They diagnose patients, prescribe medication, and assist in surgeries, all without spending a decade in medical school. With a projected 27% job growth, demand is through the roof. Salaries typically fall between $105,000 and $150,000, depending on specialty and location. A master's degree and the PANCE certification are required, but compared to becoming a doctor, the time and cost are minimal. Number 11. Sales director. If you can sell, you can make money. Sales directors don't just hit quotas. They build teams, create sales strategies, and close high-dollar deals. The best ones pull in anywhere from $120,000 to over $250,000, with commissions pushing earnings even higher. No fancy degree is required, what matters is results. Top performers often come up through sales roles, proving their ability to bring in revenue before moving into leadership. If you have negotiation skills, industry knowledge, and the ability to manage high-pressure deals, this job can be a goldmine. Number 12. Construction manager. As long as buildings are going up, construction managers will have work. They oversee projects, keep things on schedule, and make sure everything runs smoothly. Unlike many six-figure jobs, this one doesn't require sitting at a desk all day. The best managers have experience in the field, a background in construction management or civil engineering, and strong leadership skills. Salaries typically range from $100,000 to $160,000, with higher pay in cities where construction is booming. Certifications like the CMAA can boost career prospects, but hands-on experience is what really matters. Number 13. IT manager. Companies rely on technology for everything, and IT managers are the ones keeping it all running. They oversee networks, cybersecurity, software systems, and tech teams, making sure businesses stay online and secure. Salaries start at $10,000 and climb to $180,000, with even higher pay in major tech hubs. A degree in computer science or information technology helps, but industry certifications like CompTIA, CISSP, or PMP can make just as much of a difference. The best IT managers don't just understand technology, they know how to align it with business goals. Number 14. Nurse anesthetist. Few healthcare jobs pay better than this one. Nurse anesthetists handle anesthesia during surgeries, a job that requires precision and high-level medical expertise. With pay between $180,000 and $220,000, this is one of the fastest careers in healthcare for hitting six figures. The path to this job isn't easy. It requires a nursing degree, critical care experience, and a master's in nurse anesthesia. But once you're in, the pay and job security are nearly unmatched. With hospitals and surgical centers always needing skilled anesthetists, demand remains strong. Number 15. Human Resources Manager. People are a company's biggest asset, and HR managers make sure they're hired, trained, and kept happy. This job involves everything from recruitment to employee relations and benefits management. The best HR managers don't just follow policies, they shape company culture. Salaries range from $100,000 to $160,000, with top positions paying even more in major corporations. A degree in human resources, business, or psychology helps, but leadership skills and industry certifications like SHRM-CP or PHR can be just as valuable. Number 16. Real estate broker. The real estate market moves fast, and the top brokers make serious money. Unlike agents, brokers can run their own firms, manage agents, and take bigger commission cuts. The best in the business regularly pulls in over $150,000 a year, with some making much more depending on location and market conditions. Licensing requirements vary, but successful brokers know how to build networks, understand market trends, and close high-dollar deals. A slow housing market can make this job challenging, but for those who know how to adapt, it remains one of the most lucrative careers. Number 17. Pharmacist. Pharmacists do more than just fill prescriptions. They play a critical role in patient care, advising on medications, managing dosages, and preventing harmful drug interactions. With an aging population and growing healthcare needs, demand remains strong. Salaries range between $120,000 and $160,000, with some earning even more in specialized settings. Getting into this field takes commitment. A Doctor of Pharmacy (PharmDar) degree is required, along with passing the NAPLEX exam. While retail pharmacy jobs can be competitive, those in hospitals and specialty clinics often offer higher pay and better job security. Number 18. Financial Advisor. Helping people build wealth can be a lucrative business. Financial advisors guide clients through investments, retirement planning, and tax strategies, making sure their money works for them. The best advisors bring in over $150,000, with some hitting seven figures once they build a solid client base. Certifications like CFP add credibility, but trust and results are what really matter. Some advisors work independently, while others join firms that provide a steady stream of clients. As long as people need help managing their money, advisors will never run out of opportunities. Number 19. Blockchain Developer. Blockchain technology isn't just about cryptocurrency. It's changing finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and even legal contracts. Developers who understand how to build and maintain blockchain systems are in high demand, with salaries falling between $120,000 and $170,000. Some senior roles pay even more, especially for those working on high-profile projects. Companies need experts skilled in Solidity, Python, and cryptographic security. A computer science degree helps, but hands-on experience with blockchain projects and certifications can open doors faster than a diploma ever could. Number 20. Renewable Energy Engineer. As the world shifts away from fossil fuels, renewable energy engineers are leading the charge. They design systems that harness power from the sun, wind, and other sustainable sources. Governments and private companies are pouring billions into green energy, driving up salaries and job openings. Engineers in this field make anywhere from $110,000 to $160,000, with experienced professionals earning more. A background in mechanical or environmental engineering is key, and specialized certifications like LEED can boost career prospects. With sustainability at the center of global energy policies, this career isn't going anywhere. Number 21. Biostatistician. Biostatistician. Data is shaping the future of healthcare, and biostatisticians are the ones making sense of it. They analyze medical data to track disease trends, develop treatments, and improve public health strategies. Salaries range between $100,000 and $150,000, with top researchers earning more. Most in this field have a background in statistics or biostatistics, along with experience using data analysis tools like R or SAS. Some roles require a master's or PhD, especially in government and pharmaceutical research. As long as medicine relies on data-driven decision-making, biostatisticians will remain in high demand. Number 22. Genetic counselor. Genetic counselor. Advancements in DNA testing have made genetic counselors more valuable than ever. They help individuals understand genetic risks, make informed health decisions, and navigate complex medical conditions. With personalized medicine on the rise, this field is expanding fast. Salaries typically range between $90,000 and $130,000, with some top earners making more. A master's degree in genetic counseling is required, along with board certification. The best counselors combine scientific expertise with strong communication skills, making complicated genetic data easier for patients to understand. Number 23. Health informatics specialist. Healthcare is shifting toward digital records, and someone needs to manage all that data. Health informatics specialists build and maintain systems that organize patient information, improve efficiency, and keep everything compliant with regulations. Salaries range between $100,000 and $140,000, with higher earnings in specialized roles. A degree in health informatics, IT, or healthcare administration helps, but certifications in data management or cybersecurity can give an edge in this growing field. Number 24. Robotics engineer. Automation isn't just a trend, it's the future. Robotics engineers design machines that handle everything from manufacturing to surgery, making processes faster and more precise. Demand is rising as more industries rely on robotics to cut costs and boost efficiency. Salaries start at $110,000 and can climb past $180,000 for those working on advanced systems. A degree in robotics, mechanical engineering, or electrical engineering is typically required, along with strong programming skills. With automation reshaping industries worldwide, this career is one of the safest bets for long-term job security. Number 25. Environmental scientist. Protecting the planet isn't just important, it's a billion-dollar industry. Environmental scientists analyze pollution levels, develop conservation plans, and advise governments on sustainable policies. Companies also hire them to ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Salaries usually fall between $100,000 and $130,000, with specialized roles paying more. A degree in environmental science or biology is common in this field, and experience with data analysis or environmental law can boost career prospects. As climate concerns grow, so does the need for experts who can help solve environmental challenges. Number 26. UX designer. Every app, website, and digital product needs to be user-friendly, and UX designers make sure that happens. They research user behavior, create intuitive designs, and test interfaces to improve customer experience. Businesses know that better design leads to more engagement, so they're willing to pay six figures for professionals who can deliver. Salaries typically range between $100,000 and $150,000, with higher earnings for those working at top tech companies. A background in design, psychology, or computer science helps, but a strong portfolio showcasing real-world projects is what actually gets the job. High-paying jobs aren't just about making six figures. They're about choosing careers with real growth and security. The best opportunities are in industries that are expanding, not fading away. Companies are paying top dollar for people who can solve problems, adapt to new technology, and bring real value. These aren't just jobs that make a lot of money. They're also among the fastest careers where demand is climbing quickly. If financial freedom is the goal, working in a field with high demand makes the path a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.